HealthCare Community Connection is sponsored by UK HealthCare.
Welcome back. We're joined by Dr. Scottie with UK Children's Hospital. He's here to talk about the importance of U.S. News rankings and why they set Kentucky Children's Hospital apart.
Great to have you here once again.
Great to be here.
Dr. Day, tell us why these rankings are so important.
Well, they're rankings to kind of recognize some of the great care. It doesn't necessarily define who you are. You know, we talk about rankings all the time, and it's a way to recognize kind of those top programs in the country.
What services did Kentucky Children's Hospital receive rankings in?
So one was orthopedics through our partnership with Shriners, which was a great call out. And the second one was Cincinnati Children's Hospital and our congenital heart program. So it's babies born with congenital heart disease who have complex needs actually throughout their whole livelihood, even into adulthood, because most kids live, regardless of what's, survival rate in children is great.
So what do these rankings tell us about the quality of care provided?
Yeah, I think the rankings kind of indicate these are our top programs, but the rankings don't necessarily define who we are as a culture. And I think one of the unique things about being here and being a part of, not just being a part of the University of Kentucky, but taking care of so many children throughout the Commonwealth, is yes, it recognizes two of the great programs, but it also recognizes kind of what we want, right, to be the best, so that even my own kids, I feel comfortable bringing them to the hospital, and that's what we're about.
So can you tell us about some of the programs, exciting programs that Kentucky Children's Hospital is offering?
Yeah, I think, we have a lot, and as I mentioned, some of our biggest programs is about the way we network. One of our key components, and I know Christina's been on here before to talk about our affiliate network, and that's really just continue to grow. We want families to be able to stay close to home. We don't want every family to travel to Lexington, so if you're in Pikeville or Hazard or Corbin or wherever that be, right, that you're able to stay local if you can. It means a lot to these families. Secondly, the mental health crisis, which we talk about on a regular basis. The way we've been able to wrap around these families, it's really key to be able to make sure they're successful. Those incremental investments that you make monumental advancements. So when you think about the investments made in children, that's the future, right? Decades from now when we're retired or living on a beach or who knows what we're doing. But these are the investments that make such a huge difference, and I'm such an honored to be a part of that.
We've had you on our couch so many times, I don't think I've ever asked this, though. How many kids do you have?
4.
4?
Yeah.
That keeps you busy, I bet.
It does. It keeps my wife busy, too. Yeah. She's a good woman.
She is.
And I like how you said that you would even trust UK Children's Hospital with your own kids.
And I have multiple times.
Yes.
That's great. Well, continued success, and it's once again great having you in studio.
Always a pleasure to be with you guys.
Another UK Healthcare Community Connection, some information on your screen of where to find them.